Hello, world's largest tire graveyard in Kuwait is on fire. The world's largest tire dump at the Al Sulaybia tire site in Kuwait caught fire and can be seen on satellite images. It is estimated that there are 7 million tires in the tire graveyard. Shocked reactions erupted on social media after videos of piles of burning tires were shared online. The video, which has been viewed millions of times since its release on Thursday, shows thick black smoke rising into the air. Many commentators have expressed despair over bigger issues like climate change and pollution. Kuwait City visited the Al Sulayba tire site on Wednesday after a large fire broke out last Thursday. According to KUNA, about 1 million tires burned when the fire broke out in 25,000 of million square feet. The purpose of the visit was to reassess the current state of the tire burial, also known as this tire graveyard. During the visit, the question arose as to why there was no construction on the front of the construction of a 3-tire recycling plants and a reduction in number of tires on site. Last year, the Public Industry Authority shifted responsibility to the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA), which was tasked with finding solutions for tire diggers. After taking office, the Director General of the EPA said that there were between 20 and 40 million tires in Al Sulayba and that in no more than a year we will be able to handle all of them. The Al Sulayba tire site is one of the largest tire graves in the world and is clearly visible on satellite images. Used or unused tires are usually brought at Al Sulayba and thrown into a big hole which eventually turns into a mountain of tires. The biggest threat from such a large tire space is possibility of the dangerous fire. It is well known that tires are very difficult to start. Most tire fires in the world are the result of arson or lightning. Asil Al-Ragam, professor of the architecture and deputy dean of academic affairs, research and gratitude studies at the Kuwait University's faculty of architecture, told. The most famous tire fire occurred in 2012, in which more than 5 million tires burnt. The incident was considered an environmental disaster because smoke from the fire was visible from space. Fires such as those of last week and 2012 have serious impacts on the environment and public health in general. When tires burn, they release heavy metals and oils which over time penetrate the soil and water, causing soil and water pollution. The US EPA estimates that the average car tire produces more than 2 gallons of oil when burnt. Therefore, at the time of the Sulayba incident 2012, there was a high probability that 10 million gallons of oil would be flow out and if not properly accommodated and collected, would penetrate the ground and contaminate the soil around the site. Due to the proximity of Ban Cemetery to the residential neighborhood of Zara, the site poses a serious threat to human health. When tires burn, they release toxic chemicals such as carbon monoxide and sulfur oxides, which have short-term and chronic effect on health, from respiratory illness to anxiety and cancer. Although tire fire causes serious damage, Al-Ragam added that tire piles are also a breeding ground for mosquitoes and other organisms that can carry potentially lethal viruses instead of burning tires. Many are showing that recycled tires can be economical and environmentally friendly. Performance. Tires can be recycled into road, sublining playground flooring, and fuel for the cement industry. The establishment of multiple tire recycling facilities combined with strict environmental guidelines that limit wasteful and hazardous landfills like in Sulayba is the only real solution to the current environmental catastrophe, Al-Ragam said. Thanks.